Excuse me? Those aren't mine. They're not gonna fit me. Can you sing a song? You took it off. Hey.
My head.
What happened to your head? Do you have an owie on it? What happened?
No.
What happened?
No.
Did you get hit by a shovel?
Yes.
Did a dog run into you?
Yes.
Did you get thrown down the stairs?
Yes.
Did you get hit with a hammer?
Yes.
You're full of it.